Hello, my name is Karen. I am 26 years old. I live in Santa Marta. These are some animals that are in danger of extinction in the world. Pangolin, red tuna, snow leopard, and polar bear. The pangolin, the scales on your body can protect you from the predators, but they can't protect you from humans. To protect, campaigns can be carried out to show how vulnerable they are and the cause of their extinction. In addition, create sanctuaries for the preservation of these animal species. The red tuna can be very fast over short distance. I would like to be able to create an organization to go against illegal fishing. A law could be created where the percentage of consumption of the species is stipulated and thus be able to avoid extinction. The snow leopard can do the equivalent of 6 times the length of their body, and their tail gives them stability and balance. It is in danger of extinction due to global warming. The polar bear can swim great distances through ice. They could then jump in the sea, but due to the climate change, they can't do it as before. Many years ago they could have full life, now they can't. Sanctuaries for the snow leopard and polar bear can be created if we can mitigate global warming. In conclusion, we can see them if we do something for them as soon as possible.